gazing at the blue of the night.
Favorite ko sa kanya, kung paano siya mang-unggoy, kung paano siya mang-asar, yun talaga. Kasi malakas din siya mang-asar, malakas din ako mag-asar. Nag-aasaran kami.
Oo, isa lang yung humor namin. Isa kami ng inuunggoy. Hanggang sa yun din pala yung nasa isip niya. Tapos naging close na kami from the history na. Ganun na nangyari.
Words never sound quite right. Let's find our own kind of
Baka may horror dito, ha? Hindi nantay ko yung bubukas ba to? Pakinggan mo kasi yung tugtog! Walang lalabas? Wala. I love you to the moon and back.
till we found it. They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. It could dig.
Maging submissive kapag minsan, hindi lagi ikaw nananalo. Ay, sunod lang na sunod sa'yo si Gwen. Eh, syempre ganun talaga. Commander, di ba? Okay, tamo. Okay, tamo dito to. Oh.
Ever seen a love like this?
Bago ko manggiging sa'yo.
Ano to? Mirage. Iba naman yun nakakayak pero nakakatawa yung sulat niyo.
Nobody's ever seen a love like this, a love like this.
I will be forever grateful na ikaw ang naging ex-boyfriend turn to be husband.
Didn't know what we were
My dear wife,
till we found it. They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea.
matagal ko nang pinapractice yung baw na ayoko kasing umiyak eh. Kasi syempre, maangas tayo, babanda tayo, rockers tayo.
Dig up all the baby treasures where it's worth more than anything. But no one's ever seen a love like this.
Yeah, mamaya ka sa akin. After 7 years, constant, wala naman nagbago. Para pa rin kaming, yung closest friends talaga. Mapapasingin niya, constant pa rin siya kung anong gano'n. Which is, I found good naman.
In our 7 years, thank you for sa pagtatyaga sa aking katarayan, kaartehan, at sa mga kalokohan minsan.
Yan po ang totoong pagmamahal. Handang mag-alay ng kanyang sarili para sa kanyang minamahal. Ang tawag nun, sakripisyo. Hindi suffering, kung hindi sacrifice.
Magmahalan lang kayong dalawa. Walang away. Para masaya ang nyo, buhay.
Salamat at nandito kayo sa special day. Bilang solong anak.
Sea of change, I will admit something I couldn't soon forget.
Dapat maging humble. Ha? Hindi kayabangan ng uunahin. Ha? Dapat ay lagi na lang si Lord ang nasa center.
Only just begun. Oh, we've only it's only just begun. We'll pave our way from past mistakes. We're sleeping now, I'm wide awake. Close my eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. Grace and wisdom fight this feeling. Change our way of morning greeting. Opened eyes but something saying just keep dreaming. Far away from past mistakes. We're sleeping, this is not life. It's that close our eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. And it's only just begun.
You've seen the best and the worst of me, and yet you still choose to be by my side. You've chosen to love me, not because you have to, but because you want to.
Pinagpapasalamat ko na hanggang ngayon at sa mga darating pang panahon is the trust is still there. Yung ibinigay ko sa kanyang tiwala, hindi pa niya nabobro kahit minsan.
Away from past mistakes, we're sleeping now, I'm wide awake. Close my eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. Grace and wisdom fight this feeling. Change our way of morning greeting. Opened eyes but something saying just keep dreaming. Far away from past mistakes. We're sleeping, this is not life. It's that close our eyes and something saying just keep dreaming.
Sa'yo ko nakita yung safe place ko, which is yung home.
Thank you for loving me, for choosing me, and for being my soulmate. I promise to love you, honor you, and cherish you all the rest of my life.
Mahal na mahal kita, Gwen.